If you've ever felt frustrated waiting for your computer to boot, launch applications, open files, or simply respond to your clicks, then today's story might completely change the way you think about operating systems. Over the years, I've tested dozens of Linux distributions. Some focused on beautiful design, some prioritized security, and others aimed to replicate the Windows experience. But every once in a while, you come across something that completely redefines your expectations of speed. A Linux distribution so fast that it feels almost unreal. The kind of operating system that makes modern hardware look overpowered and gives old hardware a second life. Today, we're talking about the fastest Linux distro I've ever seen.